Really quick, guys, I just want to show you guys my cake face product. I'm so excited to open this with you guys. Go Tyme the Infamous, go Tyme the Infamous, go Tyme the Infamous, go Tyme, go Tyme, go Tyme. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so pretty. Stay caked up. Oh my goodness. Let's check it out. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Well, here are the swatches from the palette. As you can see, so I just went row by row and swatched it. I thought Space would do a bit better, but this is with no primer. This is, seems like horrible lighting. I love the mattes. The matte colors are amazing. This color, Fully Baked, wasn't quite opaque on me, but I'm guessing if I do like more than one swatch, this is just all one swatch. I didn't double dip in it or anything like that. This is all one swatch.